I think the ladies that watch the videos and the gentlemen too want the deals. They don't want to look at my cute photo. They want you to get straight to the deals. Well, okay. First store that we have today, guys, is Walgreens. I guess Gizmo is being very pushy. We're going to grab 3 of these Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste, priced at $4 a pop. If you look at the tag, it says $5 reward when you buy 2, but actually 2 $5 register rewards are printing, making this a moneymaker. I did this on Wednesday, and it's still working in store. Okay, guys, so what I used was this 3 off of 2. It is attaching to the toothpaste, along with one $2 coupon from the November P&G. Looking at the math for this, 3 of the Burt's Bees toothpaste is $12 on the nose. Subtracting that $2 from the P&G along with the 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7, getting back $10 in register rewards, 2 $5 register rewards, making this free plus a $3 money maker. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket, it should work. I used Walgreens cash this morning, and my register reward still printed. I know that's always a thing, that will it work, won't it work? And just to show you guys, here are the 2 register rewards from this morning, and they're both manufacturer register rewards from P&G. So I am loving this deal. Make it happen. Deal that's absolutely fantastic this week is on the Angel Soft toilet paper. It is 2 for $9, so we're going to have to find 2 of them in the store. Kind of a tall order. This is a very popular toilet paper. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off, so please make sure you have it loaded. If you head over to your coupons.com app, there's also $1 back, so you'll get 1 digital and then 1 with the coupons.com app. And then if you head over to your IBOTTA account, they're also giving you back an extra $1 when you buy these megas. So isn't that wonderful? You're going to get $2 back. Looking at the math for this one, guys, 2 of the Angel Softs for $9, subtracting the 1 digital, you're paying $8 out of pocket, getting $2 back from Ibotta, $1 back from coupons.com, making it $5 for the 2, or $2.50 per pack of toilet paper. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Now, when I'm putting together some Christmas stuff, I always like to throw in candies. I don't know if you're the same way, or if you bake a nice little decorative tray of goodies. I just put an extra just for all the little, holes that you might have. I don't know. These are 2 for $7 this week. Any of the Hershey, so it doesn't have to be the Grinch one, but I thought the Grinch ones were kind of funny. Anything that you see tagged. We have 2 digital coupons that are attaching to these delicious candies. That include this digital, which is $1 off 2 of the holidays, and this IVC coupon. I also threw in one of these store coupons because I wanted to get rid of it. Looking at the math for this one, 2 Hershey's Kisses holiday for $7, subtracting your IVC, subtracting your manufacturer, and the $4 store register reward. Well, I paid $1, and it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. So now we're at the Dollar General, and yesterday I had a ton of issues where the new items on the new penny list were not ringing up for a penny. They were ringing up for whatever the clearance price was, which is super uber frustrating. So just to let you guys know, it is what it is. I went back to the store on Wednesday morning, and everything that was on the penny list rang up for a penny. So stores that got the new update, we went into that. I guess you have to go the next morning and it should work. So hopefully there'll still be some penny items on the floor. This was one item I really wanted to grab, which is these 8-pack of the sparkling water, and it rang up for $0.01. There was also a little pack of tuna with crackers, and then I looked at the back of them, and all 5 that I had found at this one store had all expired last June. So I just gave them to the manager and he threw them out because I didn't want to have to even buy them, or for anyone else to find that penny and get sick. And then anyhow, for the sparkling water, here is the UPC. Maybe your store might have it. I found this in the clearance section. I was so happy it was still there. And there were penny shoppers in there earlier than me, and they didn't grab this water for whatever reason. This is another item, and I think this is from a surprise penny list from a couple weeks back. These no sugar keto cups. I actually tried one and I didn't mind it so much. It's got a dark chocolate, so it makes it quite rich tasting. A penny, you can't beat that price point. And I have so many friends that are on keto right now, so this was going to make a great little filler for Christmas. Okay, in today's video, my husband's going to try these no sugar keto Reese's peanut butter cups that I got for a penny at the Dollar General.
They're going to suck.
And here it is.
These are not going to be good. I don't know why you're making me do this.
Well, if you're on a keto, oh, let's look what it looks like.
Oh, that looks like hell.
That's nice. Eat it.
That's disgusting.
Is it?
It's like chalk.
But it's keto.
You know what else is keto? A punch in the face. That's not something I want either. So, just because it says it's keto doesn't mean it's any good.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's gross.
Okay, you're gross.
Take that thing away from me.
Mom, enough of the shenanigans. The people want their deals. Come on. Okay, so now a lot of the water, like pools and that sort of stuff, floaties, all this H2Go stuff, which is really nice. It was bringing up only, I think, like 50 or 70% yesterday, but today, because I guess everything gets processed on Wednesday mornings, with these new system changes. This one specific store, this was 90% off. So this was $1.80. And then here's the UPC if you want to scan it or type it into your Dollar General app. I know a lot of stores probably don't have a lot of these like beachy sort of items left, but this one store had quite a few and the prices, you just could not beat them. And then this was super uber cute for $3.50. It's a family size pool. I'm sure you could put a couple of kids in there. But 90% off at $3.50. I'm sure most Dollar Generals, whatever's left on the floor, I'm sure these will be very hard to find. Like, they'll be like, oh, penny item. That might be a tall order because I know that the manager at this one specific store, he has to box them up and send them back to head office, these specific items. Here's the UPC for this little pool. Any sort of item like pool, floaties, goggles, that good stuff, by all means, look high and low. You might be surprised what you find. Okay, and now we're going to talk about Rite Aid, and this is a $50 basket, believe it or not. If you've even paid attention to the price of batteries, my goodness gracious, those have like tripled in price. Batteries are so expensive. So we did a deal with some batteries, and this is the digital coupon that I loaded, which is a $6 off. And I bought two, so yep. And I also grabbed 4 of these lip balms, the Vaseline ones, and $2 of bonus cash when you buy 2, limit of 2, so I grabbed 4 of those. And for the batteries, it's these larger, like look, $30.99 for that pack. Like, wow. $15 of bonus cash when you buy 2. Got the cashier to scan this. This came from my email. It's just one of those coupons. $10 back when you spend $50. This is a newer one, which is a 5 off 25. So grab a screenshot of that to use this one in store. So just a reminder of my basket, 2 of those big 24 packs of the batteries, 4 Vaseline lip balms, and then a candy to get me to the $50 mark. Looking at the math for this, 2 of the big Duracell packs is $43.98. 4 Vaselines on a BOGO 50% off is $5.97, and then 1 Reese's for 99 cents for a total of $50.94. I got the cashier to scan that 10 back when you spend 50, along with the 5 off 25. I had the 6 off of 2 digital. I paid $39.94 and then got back $29 in bonus cash, plus the purchase of the Vaseline I had tracking for the bonus cash challenges. So part of my bonus cash challenge here, I got $1.50 back, so that is not too shabby. You get to customize, I believe it's up to 10, where everyday items that you shop for, you're getting back a little bit of extra here and there. If you're a Rite Aid shopper, not heard of the bonus cash challenges, check out the link in the notes. I think you get an extra $2 when you use my link. But yeah, I mean, it just like on top of stuff that I'm buying every week, I'm getting a little something extra back. And then every 2 months, you get that money dropped into your account. So it's really fantastic. I do love these bonus cash challenges. Okay, the final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. They're having the buy 7 for 7. So every item is exactly $1. Certain Capri Sun drinks, and these are the 10 count. So they're usually like $3.49 a pop. $1 when you buy 7, or you can mix and match. I grabbed 5 of these and 2 peppers for my nieces and nephews. They like these sort of drinks. So I got 5 of those and then 2 peppers, $1 each, like $7 out the door. Like, wow, what a great value. Okay, and I know a lot of you were not happy with the IBOTTA Thanksgiving this year. So Meijer is actually selling turkey for 55 cents a pound, which is super cheap, guys. So I would absolutely birds are anywhere between $7 or $8. Some are 10, the larger ones, but they're harder to find. But I bought a couple. I bought the two, and I'm very happy. I think one was like $8.12, and the other one was $8.50, and they're really nice birds, like 16, 17 pounds a pop. So definitely go to Meijer if you're looking for your Thanksgiving turkey on the cheap. And in case you missed it, guys, I made a video I posted last night about the Gain 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 happening this Saturday at the Dollar General, where you're going to be getting some of these products for 85 cents each, which is fantastic. Check out the video linked right here. This Saturday, it is going to be on at the Dollar General. I cannot wait. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.